What's up everybody, this is Matt here in the Mechman R&D lab, and today we're going to show you the absolute best alternator you can buy for your 4.2 liter Envoy or Trailblazer. This baby pumps out 400 amps with over 200 amps at idle. It's in a beautiful black billet housing, super strong, well supported, not going to crack the housing like some of our competitors' alternators do. It's a direct plug-in. Of course, you will need to install a slightly shorter than stock length belt. That's going to be the case with virtually any high output alternator. So all you got to do is go to your local auto parts store and pick up one that's about a 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch shorter than stock length. We have instructions on how to do that on our easy belt finder at mechman.com. The other nice feature of this unit, aside from being true large case hairpin technology, it has 12 diodes instead of the normal 6. They're massive press fit diodes, excellent thermal handling. You can run this on your daily driver, no matter how big the audio system is. We use oversized output studs, premium high-speed bearings, high-temperature bearing seals, and everything you need to make sure that this alternator is going to be a lifelong investment for your vehicle. If you have any questions, be sure to email us at mechman.com and check out our technical resources to make your installation nice and easy.